In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to enable or disable the lock screen sound on your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but this should work for previous iPhone models. So when you lock your screen, your iPhone makes that sound every time you lock your screen. So that sound. Now I'll be showing you how to turn that sound on or off. So go to settings. That takes you to the main settings page. On the main settings page, go to sounds and haptics, tap on that, and then under sound and haptics, scroll down to lock sound. You can see it's enabled, and that's why you can hear the lock sound, that one. If you disable it, then it's a silent lock of the phone. To enable it back on, just tap on that. Now you can hear the screen lock sound. And that is basically how to turn that sound on or off on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.